Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2310 at Hilton Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the room key. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have a key card, a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, light switch, and that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right is the bathroom with another light switch. Right in here we have the toilet. Sink area with a bottle of hand sanitizer. Mirrors. Hello. And right here we have the shower area with a rain shower right above and a handheld shower on the wall. The bathtub is right here. This is quite nice to have a bath in. And right here we have the wardrobe with drawers. I believe that would be the hairdryer. Yes, it does say right there. And shelves right above. You have an extra pillow right up there. On the other side of the wardrobe, you have a bit of storage down there, in-room slippers, bathrobes, ironing board, hangers, and if you go around to this side, you can access the wardrobe from this side as well. Also on the other side of the wardrobe with the shelves and drawers and the hairdryer, there is an in-room safe right there. Okay, so here we have a round desk with an in-room telephone, flat screen sharp TV, right over here we have the QR code for the menu. I'm not too sure what that is. And right here we have all the plugs and whatnot. Back to this side, we have place to put your luggage, iron, bit of storage, next on, the bed does look quite comfortable. On either sides of the bed, you have bedside tables with storage, a drawer. On the left side, in-room telephone, plugs, the TV remote, clock, and a light. And on the right side, you just have a light, plugs, a bit of storage, and a drawer. The climate control panel is right here. Okay, so here we have the pantry area with a couple of bottles of water, a plug, some artwork right above. Here we have all the tea, coffee making stuff together with glasses, cups, and the kettle is right at the bottom. And here we have the fridge. Sofa-like thing. And that is the view that I get out of the window. That is KL Central, and obviously you have all the other buildings right around. You can see part of the road in front of the hotel. And right opposite, that is Aloft Kuala Lumpur Central. I just realized you could open the sheer blind as well. So this is a better look out of the window. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2310 at Hilton Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.